Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Today guys we will take a look at the Canadian dollar, mostly on the very short term scalp setup on the 4-hour time frame chart, because I really like what we see right now on the euro currency, on the Australian dollar, the setups that we have discussed, as the possible bullish potential that these currencies have. I mean the upside action on the euro currency, the scenario with the weekly grabbers that we have discussed in Australian dollar. Both of these currencies stands on the way and moving according to our expectation, in agreement with our suggestion that we have discussed recently. That's why currently guys I do not see any reasons to make an update on the euro currency and Australian dollar, because they just do not need any adjustment. So all major stuff we have discussed yesterday. That's why today I have decided to take a look at the Canadian dollar, because here we could get, we haven't got it yet, but theoretically within the few hours we could get the nice setup with the 100 pips potential to the upside on the Canadian dollar. That being said, on the daily chart we see this moving down. You probably remember the bread body trade that we have made here. This was drop, upward action. Here is the target of the bread body, was completed right before the probably non-farm or some important event. Do not remember exactly what that was, but there was definitely some data release or maybe some feed speech. Right, 26th of the August. This was Yellen speech in Wyoming. So you can see, but market was able to touch the target of the bread body's 2840 area, and only after that started move up. So this trade has been completed. Then we got rally to the upside. Now market stands in the dip action according to the crude oil behavior, and it stands at minor support. This is just monthly pivot support one. So we do not have here important fib levels, because you can see that this swing stands inner one to that one. That's why all that we could use as the supports is just the swing, is the fib levels from that low to this high. But you can see all of them has been broken. Maybe just 782 level or 86 minor fib supports could be used here, but they are not really important for us. Also, if you will take a look at the crude oil chart, you will see that market on the way up, this corresponds to the Canadian dollar, this drop, okay, has reached the 618 resistance, 49.10 area from the whole move down. It means that maybe minor retracement could happen here. That is the idea of our trade. So if market will show this retracement on the Canadian dollar, we also should see some upward pullback. And here we are coming to the core, to the major thing of our setup. On the 4-hour chart of the Canadian dollar, we could get the double repo buy pattern. So first of all, take a look that we previously have got the double repo sell. This was a nice looking pattern. As you can see, this thrust up, close below 3x3, close above, creating the new top, close below, and drop lower. So that was perfect double repo sell right at the top. Right now we have the potentially, it hasn't been completed yet, it hasn't been confirmed, but potentially we could get the double repo buy. Because take a look, thrust down looks perfect. On the way up, on this first pullback, market hasn't reached the major 3.8 level. It means that all shorts that scalp traders hold, they are still holding them. There's no profit taking has happened, because market hasn't quite reached the major level. And many investors still think, I mean those who trade on intraday charts, they think that this is just minor retracement and they expect to be continuation. Right now you can see this continuation is underway, and traders start to add to their shorts on the way down. So if suddenly market will show the second bottom here and then turn up and we will get the close above the 3x3 again, that will be confirmation of the double repo buy pattern. So something of that sort, but in the opposite direction. So I will show you. Take a look. Here we have already in place. Is that place, this thing. Now here market was moving higher, but here it moves lower. So now we stage in this. We stay in this stage of this pattern. Final thing that we would like to get is this action. So here it was to the downside, but in our case we need to get it in the upside. And close here it was below 3x3. Now we need to get the close above the 3x3. If market on the way down will create slightly lower bottom, this will be much better. So that's what we will be watching for. So as soon as market will close above the 3x3, this will be confirmation of the double repo pattern. As a result, according to the Judd Napoli, market should continue to move higher, and the target will be at least 50% of the whole thrust action, of the whole thrust of the double repo. So approximately right now is 29.70 area. Now market stands 28.50, so approximately 100 pips, maybe slightly greater. So not bad potential for the intraday charts for the daily setup. All that we need to see is just to wait confirmation of this double repo pattern. As soon as we could get it, then we could make the decision about taking the long position. Probably this action could happen because if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, you'll see some kind of the rejection of price action. So consumer market has dropped by lower, shy consolidation, and immediate upward return back to the previous level. Now we've got retracement down of this action. So something of island pattern. So not quite island, but the background approximately the same. You probably know from the classical analysis that sometimes when the market shows gap up and shows minor consolidation and gap down, return back to the price action, this treats as a reversal pattern. Something of that sort we have here. We do not have the gaps, but the action approximately the same. So drop, minor consolidation, return back. So that's why this action looks like the bullish, and probably we will get this double repo. But again, do not try to anticipate it, because we do not know how particular market will form this bottom. Maybe some butterfly will be created, maybe something else. But it's better to wait just for a confirmation of this pattern. This is not the monthly, weekly chart, so this will be short-term trade. That's why I did not see really a necessity for any anticipation action here. So just wait and see. If we will get the double repo pattern, that will be nice. And potential of this trade will be approximately 100 pips to the upside, this upward retracement, especially if it will be supported by the retracement on crude oil to the downside. So that's all for today. Let's keep watching for our scenarios on the euro currency, Australian dollar. They are a bit longer term. It's more important for us, but the Canadian setup that we could get within the few hours seems also interesting.